Baseball is a game of split-second decisions. Once the 90-mile-per-hour fastball leaves the pitcher's hand, the hitter has less than half a second to decide whether he's going to swing and where the ball will be when it arrives. Columbia University biomedical engineering student JordanMuraskin is using the latest in neuroscience technology to study that moment. Today, his intern, Elizabeth McNally, is standing in a virtual batter's box.
So as she does this task, what she's trying to do is either swing or not swing.
The device on her head is called an electroencephalography, or EEG. The game she plays simulates a baseball pitch, and the EEG measures the electrical signals produced by the brain as she attempts to recognize the type of pitch that's thrown at her.
And what our technology is able to do is decode these squiggles and bumps and changes in the electrical signal and actually produce information of what's going on in your brain as you're making really fast decisions.
So your area under the curve, your AZ, is a little over chance. But it's not bad. It's not bad.
At the end of the game, a profile of the athlete's brain shows how mentally prepared an athlete is to see the ball and swing the bat. This can help coaches strengthen their players' weaknesses.
We can find ways to help players who aren't as good get to that mental peak performance, as well as scouting players who might be passed over because they might not be as physical, but they have the best mental game out there.
The coaches have told us that it matches their players to a T, that they were kind of shocked how it matched what they sort of saw subjectively with what we were showing them objectively. Major
league teams are already taking an interest.
We're in talks with about 4 or 5 Major League Baseball teams. The responses have ranged from call us when it's easier to this is really interesting, let's go further with this, how is it going to work?
Although his research is still in the early stages, he believes that one day EEGs could become standard in all professional sports.